Lena, you don't always watch serials.
So what should I watch? I'll just watch the news like you all the time.
Lena, let's see some news on TV.
Whenever I watch TV, you only have to watch the news.
Let me watch some news. I'll just read the headlines.
Mom and Dad, why do you fight among yourselves all the time? I don't like watching these things on TV at all. Put a cartoon channel on TV, I will watch cartoons.
Watch the cartoon later. I haven't seen the important news yet.
I made snacks for you.
Oh, wow. This was really needed right now.
Thank you so much, Jenny.
Jenny does all the housework by herself now. He doesn't let me do anything.
Jenny, you sit with us and watch TV.
This morning, reports of multiple robot attacks have been coming from different parts of the city. Roads, cars, even buildings are being destroyed right before our eyes. Eyewitnesses claim these robots have gone completely out of human control. Some say the robots might be under the control of a hacker group. Police and tech experts say this is no longer just a technical issue, it's a major threat. The government has called an emergency meeting. Efforts are underway to regain control. But no one yet knows what these robots really want, or where they'll strike next.
Oh man, if robots start doing this, who can we even trust now?
Those robots must be hacked. We have to do something.
I told you. We shouldn't rely too much on these machines.
Everyone, calm down. Panic won't help. We need to understand how they went out of control first.
Uh-oh, I'm a good robot. I won't hurt anyone, right?
You're good, Jenny. But don't fall asleep tonight. Who knows what you might do in your dreams?
Wait, do I walk in my sleep? Oh no!
Relax, Roby. If you were bad, you'd have run off looking for your charger already.
Let me see the whole news.
We urge everyone to stay indoors and follow official safety instructions. We're now going live to our field reporter, Rumi Hassan, at the scene. Rumi, what's happening there right now?
If they attack our house,
As long as I am here, no one can harm you.
Jenny will always be ready to protect us.
What is the sound coming from?
this is a destroying sound.
Don't worry, I'll go and check. Hey you, I said stop.
You dare stand in my way, little robot?
Little, maybe I'm small, but my programming is mighty.
This house will be my data farm.
Wrong address, metalhead.
Mom and Dad, let's go and see what Jenny is doing.
Yes, let's go to Henry and see what's going on.
Get out of here, or I will destroy you.
I will finish you off before then.
Oh my God, what's up?
He's that naughty robot that was shown on TV a while ago.
Don't worry, I destroyed him.
Who did this situation? Who did this situation?
All these destroy the bad robots did.
Oh God, what has happened to my beautiful kitchen?
Don't be sad, Mom. We'll make everything the way it was before.
First of all, the police administration should be informed.
Don't worry. Give me 30 minutes, and I'll put everything back together nicely.
Really? Can you make it true?
Why? Do you have doubts about me?
Thank you for saving our house from that evil robot.
Not just for our homes, we will be forever grateful for saving our lives.
Mila says this is my house too, so there is no need to thank me.
Mila is absolutely right. You are also a member of our family.
Jenny, you are my best friend.
You are another of our children. You do your thing. We're leaving.
I'll help Jenny, you go.
No, Mila, I don't need any help.
Okay, I didn't help you. I'll stay with you.
After 30 minutes. Henry is still cutting me.
None of us would be alive today without Jenny.
Today Jenny saved not only us but also our home.
We should report it to the police. The government has announced that anyone who does this will be reported to the police.
You're right. Let's get that bad robot out of here.
Hello.
Hello, police station.
Yes, how can I help you?
An evil robot has entered our house. They broke into the house and destroyed everything.
Did the robot harm you? Are you all okay?
No, he couldn't hurt us. We're all fine.
We are coming with you right away.
Please, come quickly. We are all very scared.
Okay, we'll be there in 20 minutes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Henry, what did the police say?
They will arrive in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes.
Mr. Henry, how did you escape from such a terrifying robot?
Robot Jenny saved us.
How is this possible? How did Jenny defeat such a powerful robot?
We don't know, but he alone saved us all. Without Jenny, we would all be dead.
We need more robots like Jenny, who can fight and win against bad robots. If you don't mind, we'd like to take Jenny with us.
Jenny will definitely go with you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Henry.